Welcome to my channel. Please watch this short video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Would you believe me if I told you that there's an investment strategy that a 7-year-old could understand, will take you 15 minutes of work per year, outperform 90% of finance professionals in the long run, and make you a millionaire over time? Well, it is true, and here it is. Start by saving 15% of your salary at age 25 into a 401k plan, an IRA, or a taxable account, or all three. Put equal amounts of that 15% into just 3 different mutual funds: a U.S. Total Stock Market Index Fund, an International Total Stock Market Index Fund, and a U.S. Total Bond Market Index Fund. Over time, the 3 funds will grow at different rates, so once per year you'll adjust their amounts so that they're again equal. That's the 15 minutes per year, assuming you've enrolled in an automatic savings plan. If you can follow this simple recipe throughout your working career, you will almost certainly beat out most professional investors. More importantly, you'll likely accumulate enough savings to retire comfortably. William J. Bernstein. Choosing individual stocks without any idea of what you're looking for is like running through a dynamite factory with a burning match. Joel Greenblatt. Never buy a stock immediately after a substantial rise or sell one immediately after a substantial drop. Benjamin Graham. Trading doesn't just reveal your character, it also builds it if you stay in the game long enough. Yvonne Bieggi. Confidence is not "I will profit on this trade." Confidence is "I will be fine if I don't profit from this trade." Yvonne Bieggi. Never invest in any company before you've done the homework on the company's earnings prospects, financial condition, competitive position, plans for expansion, and so forth. Peter Lynch. Never invest in stocks with borrowed money or a faint heart. Both are fatal. Manojura. The expectation that you bring with you in trading is often the greatest obstacle you will encounter. Yvonne Bieggi. Owning the stock market over the long term is a winner's game, but attempting to beat the market is a loser's game. John C. Bogle. Don't ever make the mistake of believing that market success has to come to you fast. Trade small, stay in the game, persist, and eventually, you'll reach a satisfying level of proficiency. Yvonne Bieggi. Thanks for watching. Your time is greatly appreciated. Please take a look at the information and links below this video. Best wishes.